Hello guys, so welcome to this sports analytics tutorial, or we can say data analysis tutorial, and in this we are going to do some parsing of HTML documents, HTML tables. So we know that if we want to do data analysis, Pandas is very important and you must learn Pandas if you want to do any kind of data analysis. So the next thing came is if we have a dataset in a form of CSV file, then we can do use this functionality pd.read CSV, and we can here declare the path to that file. But now what if we have a data in form of this, like HTML tables? If we are parsing from a site, and now initially when I found out about this problem, when I faced this problem, I tried to parse this HTML table with the help of Beautiful Soup. I tried to do web scraping. I applied it, but I miserably failed. So this thing that I found was so much easier, that is, we can simply do read pd.read HTML, and here we can declare the path. So we'll copy the URL and paste it here, and we simply so this is loading. Oh, here it is. The output is in form of list. We can see here this is a list. And what is this? We can see it in documentation. With this method, the return value is lists of data frames. So this itself is not a data frame, it is a list of data frames. So it contains many more than one data frames. So we can see it like that. For I in X, we can say print I. So here is the same output. We can do it like that too. Yes, we can do. So now we can see this is the first data frame, this is the second data frame, and this is a third data frame. So this list contains 3 data frames, and we know that the first data frame is matter of our concern. We want this first data frame. So what we'll do now is we will store this first data frame in a variable called df. So okay, df.i, and now we will breaks, because we don't need the second and third data frame. So that's what we will do, and we can see that the type of this output, the x, is a list. So next part. So now we can see that df that we extracted from this x is a data frame. Now we can do all kind of cool stuff on this, and now we can move ahead and do our exploratory data analysis on this dataset. So like layer, so here it is. So that was it, and it is so much easier to parse HTML tables with this functionality of Pandas. So we'll meet you in next tutorial.